Canva has made it incredibly easy for you to make your designs multilingual. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to utilize the new AI-powered translation tool, and I'll show you how to create a multilingual voiceover without having to leave the app. Without further ado, let's hop in. One thing to note about this tool is you will have access to it for free, but your access will be capped. So if you would like to increase your capacity on translations, all you need to do is utilize my link, lashondaBrown.com/Canva45 to get access to a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro. Canva's AI translation tool will help you to translate your designs in over 100 languages, and you'll be able to do this in just a few clicks. What's incredible about this tool is you will have access to over 100 languages in just a few clicks. The tool utilizes modern machine learning technology to deliver clear and natural-sounding text translations, and you won't have a need for a separate translation tool now that you have this feature. The other thing is it's going to maintain the integrity of your design, even if you're translating from a left to right language to a right to left language. I have a lot of friends who are using Airbnb to generate more income for their family, and I have seen these really beautiful signs in homes that welcome guests in multiple languages. So that's what we're going to use to experiment with this tool in this tutorial. So to do that, we're going to open up a poster template and then we'll modify it from there. So to create a poster, you can easily click on Create a Design and type in Poster to design one from scratch, or you can modify an existing template. So I like this template in particular that said, "Welcome to our love story," but we're going to modify it for our needs. So we'll click here to bring in this design, and we're going to change the text "love" to "home." Welcome to our home, and delete the elements that we don't need. Then we'll make a few adjustments there. And I think what I'll do is move this up to the top. That way we have room to say "welcome home" in another language. So from there, we're going to locate apps on the left-hand side and we'll type in Translate. Then click on the box in the top left-hand corner. Now from there, you can select the language that you want to translate to. In this case, I want to translate to Spanish. So we'll click here and we'll type in Spanish and select it. Now from there, we can translate the entire page or we can select the text from the current page. I'm going to click on Select Text, and you'll notice here it's selecting everything. There is one little element that we forgot to delete. So I'm just going to uncheck that because that's not necessary to be translated. From there, we're going to click on Translate and you'll see your uses left at the bottom of your screen. Now that it has translated the content of the design, we just need to rearrange it to complete our poster. It did create a second page that was marked Spanish at the top. So if you are doing multiple languages, that'll be a really easy way for you to keep track of your translations. So from here, we'll make a few adjustments. And now we have our multilingual poster that we can print with Canva Print, or we can download the PDF and have a local printer create this poster so that we can frame it and put it inside of our Airbnb. Another use of Canva's language tools would be a presentation. Say, for instance, you're giving a pitch and you know that the company is located in a country that speaks more than one language. It could be a really nice way for you to kick things off. So say in this case, we're going to add a interior design project proposal slide to our presentation deck. And now we want to add a multilingual voiceover to accompany that. To do that, we're going to click on Apps again. Once you type in multilingual, all you need to do is select the app here and click on Open at the bottom. This will give you the ability to enter text and translate it into a voiceover in another language. So I think it would be really nice if the voiceover said, "Hi, we're really excited to present our interior design project proposal." So that's what we'll drop into the script. All you need to do is type in your script into the box, select the language that you would like to translate into. In this case, we're going to select Spanish and then choose your speaker. I would like to use Sophia. From there, you can play your voiceover.
Hola, estamos muy emocionados de presentarles nuestra propuesta de proyecto de interiorismo.
After you have generated it, and you will see the voiceover is at the bottom of your screen. If you really want to get fancy, you can add music directly in Canva as well, and you can add animations to really take this to the next level. But I am really excited about how easy Canva is making it for us to make our designs more accessible to people who speak languages from all around the world. Thanks to this incredible tool, Canva is making it even easier for you to reach your audiences no matter what language they speak. If you want more Canva tutorials, feel free to check out my Canva playlist. Until next time, ta-ta for now.